Hi there, it's Jody. This is kind of a part two to the video I shared earlier in the week, my Tuesday tips with the baby wipe re-inker technique. That's how I did this image here from Soft Seedlings, as well as this background. If you didn't catch that video, make sure you go look for it to learn how to do this. But I want to take it one step further with you today. And I pulled in my July to December Stampin' Up! Mini catalog because there's a few items on page 49 that I'm going to use, and I wanted to point them out here in the catalog. So first of all, there is the Leaf Label and Amber Gem Combo Pack. That's this right here. You get these awesome gems, a couple different sizes, sticky on the back, and then leaves. You get 25 leaves, 50 gems. So I'm going to use those. I'm also using our new Embossing Editions toolkit. So I've got a tray, the embossing buddy, there's the brushes that you can use. So all of that is going to come into play with the project I'm going to do for you today. So what I did was I took a piece that I created the other day with the baby wipe technique. It's on shimmery white, so it's got a little bit of a sparkle. Not sure how well the video is picking that up. And then I pulled in a layer that's just a little bit bigger with soft suede. I'm realizing that I didn't even grab my adhesive. Okay, we're gonna pretend. So pretend that that is attached to the soft suede. The card base I'm using today is crushed curry. And what I want to do with this is take another image. Let me pull the Soft Seedlings in again. So this is the big leaf image that I've been using, but I'm going to also use this little image and a greeting. So what I'm going to do is take the Versamark ink and show you a very basic technique with Versamark. So this technique is just straight stamping. And what it does, depending on the color of cardstock you put this on, it just does a tone-on-tone image. So this is crushed curry cardstock, so it just looks like a crushed curry watermark. Because the Versamark ink is a little bit sticky, there's so many other things that you can do with it, but this is the basic, and that's what I wanted to show you on this part of the card today. So just a little line down the side. Now, I want to also just do it on this piece of soft suede. That's going to get covered up by my, remember, pretend adhesive. But look at the exact same ink. It just takes on the color of whatever cardstock it is, whether it's crushed curry or soft suede. It just takes on that color, which is really cool. So this will go here. This will go here over top. I think I'm going to add one more over in this corner because that one pretty much was entirely covered up. Okay, so yeah, I like the way that looks better. Okay, so it's going to be like that. And then what I want to do on one of these die cut leaves is stamp my greeting. So what I'm going to do is pull in the embossing buddy. I rub that over the surface. It just helps take some of the static off of the cardstock, and that way I'm not going to get my random little pieces of embossing powder sticking where I don't want it to stick. So I'm going to ink up the word hello, again with Versamark ink, and stamp it right on that leaf. See, I said it was sticky. It definitely is. And one of the great things about it being sticky is that I can pull in my embossing powder, sprinkle it right over, tap off the extra, and that powder stuck right to that stamped word, and now I can heat it. So let me scoot this stuff out of the way so I don't make a bigger mess, and turn on my heat tool and just watch that powder melt and turn metallic. And my fingers are getting hot. Hopefully you could see that. Let's finish it up. So now, let's get that to focus. Now we've got the gold embossed hello. So I'll put the cover back on this. So again, pretending that all these layers are attached, we've got the Versamark ink on the background, the baby wipe background technique that I shared the other day, and then I can pull the leaf in here. I would attach this with some dimensionals, probably add a little bit of thread or ribbon or something up there. So I just wanted to show you what I thought of to do with the extra background piece here from the baby wipe technique. The fall cards are just so much fun to play with. If you haven't already, take a look at my website. This is one of many gorgeous fall stamp sets. Get something ordered so that you can start working on your fall cards for all occasions that you've got in the next couple of months. All right, thanks so much for watching. Look in the links or in the comments rather, for a shopping link. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.